Welcome to our channel. Accessing cartoon and animation content legally on Fire Stick means using official network apps and streaming services. Follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download the Cartoon Network app if you have cable or satellite. It offers full episodes of current and classic cartoons with authentication. Step 2. Install Disney Plus for access to Disney Channel, Disney Junior, and Disney XD cartoons, plus classic Disney animated content. Step 3. Try HBO Max, which includes Cartoon Network, Adult Swim, Looney Tunes, and other Warner Bros. Animation libraries. Step 4. Subscribe to Crunchyroll or Funimation for anime content. Both offer extensive libraries of subbed and dubbed anime series and films. Step 5. Install Nickelodeon, Nick Jr., or PBS Kids apps for children's cartoons. Some content is free, while full access may require cable authentication. Step 6. Use YouTube for free cartoon content. Many classic cartoons and official channels upload episodes legally. Step 7. Check out Pluto TV, which has dedicated cartoon channels running 24/7 with content from various studios. Step 8. For older cartoons, try Boomerang, a service dedicated to classic cartoons from Hanna-Barbera and Warner Bros. Avoid apps claiming to unlock Cartoon Network for free, as these violate copyright and are often scams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.